easier to manage if it is organized into an outline, so the structure of the project can be seen. An outline groups the tasks into summary and subtasks. Summary tasks are made up of subtasks and summarizes those tasks. A subtask is a task that is part of a summary task. Imagine that the summary tasks are the Roman numerals of an outline, and the subtasks are the A's, B's, and C's. The main phases of the project are the summary tasks, and the subtasks are the details necessary to complete each phase. Let's open the Summary and Subtasks file from the VIA folder for the next part of our project. In this section, we are going to convert a task into a subtask. First, highlight the task or tasks to be demoted. We're going to highlight tasks 2 through 12 by clicking on task 2 and dragging to task 12. Then we're going to indent the task by clicking the Indent button on the formatting toolbar located second from the left. Plan Newsletter now becomes a summary task. If we look at the Gantt bar chart, we can see that a summary task is represented by a black bar extending across the duration of its subtask. If we decide a subtask should be a main phase task and not a detail task, we can change it into a summary task by highlighting and clicking the Outdent button. For our project, let's promote Write Articles to a summary task. Highlight Write Articles and click the Outdent button on the formatting toolbar. The Outdent button is first on the formatting toolbar.